All right, guys, the home stretch. Here is lesson 17, exit ticket. Our 2 questions today are, use what you know to find the product of 8 times 12 or 6/8 plus 6/8. Let me give you a hint. This is very, very similar to question D. Okay, we wrote what they gave us into an equation, and then we were going to solve it from there. I want you to do the same thing. 8/12 or 6/8 plus 6/8. I want you to see if you can solve that. Luis says 3 times 233 is 626. Use what you learned about odd times odd to explain why Luis is wrong. Here is our reminder chart. Once again, let me zoom this out. Why is Luis wrong? He said that 3 times 233 equals 626. Think about the number 3 and the number 233. What are both of those? And then what is 626? There is a picture of this, if you noticed, a few questions up. Use this chart to help you. The answer is right here. All right? So there's your exit ticket. Don't forget to submit all of your papers on to Seesaw. I am so proud of your hard work today. You stuck it out and you did a great job. Thank you.